How to install Chat GPT application on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily install Chat GPT. For that, firstly open Google Chrome and go to the official website of Chat GPT. Then after, click on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you do, you will see the option of Add to Home Screen. Simply click on it and click on Install. And shortly, when you check the notifications section on your mobile device, you will see that the ChatGPT application has been installed. Simply click on it. Then after, the application will now open. And in the home screen, you can see the batch visit. So that's it. That is how easily you can install ChatGPT on Android phone. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.